Okay students, let us learn how to draw a line parallel to the given line. Now here, first of all, let us draw line L as any one line. Suppose here, there are two methods. Both of the methods we are going to study. Suppose here, let us draw your line L is any one line. Okay, and now we have to draw a line parallel to line L. Now whenever we are going to make use of set square. Your both set square, they make an angle of 90 degree. For example, these two sides of set square, these are perpendicular sides. So these two sides make an angle of 90 degree. Similarly, for this piece of set square also, these two sides, they are making an angle of 90 degree. So in a set square, these sides are making an angle of 90 degree. So simply we are going to place one piece of set square in this way and another piece of set square in this way. Okay, what we have done, we have placed set square, and now we are going to draw a line with the help of this side of this set square. Move this set, go on moving this set square. So in this way, you can draw a line that line will be parallel to line L. So by using set square, you can draw a line. By using set square, you can draw a line parallel to line L, and let us name this line as line N. Understood? So in this way, this is first method by using set square. So we have, here you can show that line L. Here line L is parallel to line M. So by making use of set square, in this way you can show. Okay. Now next, one more method is also there. Let us use another method. Now that one method is here. Again let us draw a line, any line. Suppose here line M is any one line that we have drawn, and now we have to draw a line parallel to line M. Now this time we are going to make use of protector. Let us make use of protector. Now for using protector, here you know that you have seen this protector. In this protector various angles are there. Various means angles in between 10 to 100 degree are shown. 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 110, 120 up to 180 degree, these angles are shown. So let us place this protector on line M and mark an angle of 90 degree. Similarly on this side also. Okay, and mark an angle of 90 degree. Now simply we will draw lines passing through the marked points. Now these lines are perpendicular to line M. Suppose we will take these 2 points, just point A and B, from where we have draw rays. Let us take one more point here. Let us take point P. Let us suppose, so if you take point Q, so here in this way, and passing through point P and Q, you can draw a line. Now if it is given that draw line N at a distance of 3 cm from point M. Now if we have to draw a line at some distance, simply if you want to draw a line, you can draw a line passing through the points. Now if you have to draw a line at a distance of 3 cm from line M, then in your compass you take a distance of 3 cm. Here I am taking approximate distance, but you take a distance of 3 cm in your compass. Okay, and by taking that much distance from point A, draw an arc. Similarly from point B also, keeping the same distance of 3 cm, draw an arc. Now let us join let us draw a line passing through both of these arcs, or the point of intersection in the arc. On this ray we are going to draw a line. So in this way, this line will name as line N. Let us name this line as line N, and let us name these points of intersection as P and Q. Now you will have here line N is parallel to line M and at a distance of 3 cm from line M. So here you will get line M is parallel to line N. Okay, so one more property we'll understand. What property we'll understand? If two lines are perpendicular to the same line, then those two lines are also parallel to each other. Means here, if PA is parallel to line M, QB is also parallel, PA is perpendicular to line M, QB is also perpendicular to line M, then PA and QB will also be parallel to each other. Line M and line N are already parallel to each other, but PA and QB will also be parallel to each other. Okay students, so in this way you can draw a line parallel to the given line. Okay students, we had seen how to draw a line parallel to a given line, and I have shown two examples. We have studied two different methods. One method was by using a set square, second method was by using protractor. Now let us take some examples from practice set number 2.3. Question number 1. Draw a line L. Take a point A outside the given line. Through point A, draw a line parallel to line T. Okay. So here first of all you are required to draw line L. First of all you are required to draw line L. And you have to take a point A outside the line. Okay. Actually here it is mistake is there. Instead of line L, in place of line L, line M should be there. In place of line M, line L should be there. So first we will draw line L. Line M. Here in this case it is line M. So through here we have taken point A which is outside line M. Then here you can mark an angle of 90 degree passing through A. Again you can mark an angle of 90 degree passing through N. And points A and B are obtained, and hence line L will be parallel to line M. So in this way you can draw a line parallel to the given line. I have shown you with the help of this videos, so easily you can understand. Now second example, draw line L, take point T outside the line. Through the point T, draw a line parallel to line L. Okay, go through this construction. First you will draw line L. You will mark points M and N on it. Now outside line M, at any distance you can mark point T. Okay, you can mark point T, which will be or you will draw perpendicular to line L at point M, and through that perpendicular, on that perpendicular line you will draw point T. Similarly, you will draw VT, VN perpendicular to line L. You will join points T and V. In this way, line M is parallel to line L. Okay, students. So we had finished our practice set number 2.3, and lesson number 2 also we have completed. Okay, so next lecture will continue with lesson number 3. See, keep your classworks complete. Complete your classworks. We are covering the whole syllabus in this YouTube lectures also. So complete your syllabus, complete your classworks. Okay, next lecture will continue then.